is the last time I am ever going to do this. Never again. Hi, I'm Pat, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm going to do something that I will never do again. I'm going to touch up my roots using the Ion Bright White Cream Lightener and tone my hair with the Manic Panic Amplified Virgin Snow Toner. Now, I have used this toner before, but I got a lot of comments that I didn't leave it on long enough, so I thought I'll try it again. Keep watching, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the little bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a brand new video. And leave me a comment down below and let me know if you've ever used either of these products. Okay, so let's get into bleaching my hair. Okay, to start off, before you bleach your hair, you're gonna need a few different things. So one of the things you'll need is a tint brush. The other thing is a mixing bowl. You'll also need some gloves. And of course, you'll need your product, some developer, and then you'll need your toner. Okay, so I'm just gonna start by mixing up the bleach. So I'm gonna use the Ion Color Brilliance Bright White Cream Lightener. That is this one here. Okay, I've got my gloves on. I've got my mixing bowl and my brush. I'm going to start with my lightener. All right, I've got my cream lightener in the bowl and I'm going to add my developer. Now the cream lightener lets you use a 10, 20, 30, or 40 volume developer with it, so you can decide how strong you want to mix your bleach. I'm going to use a 30 volume today because I'm doing a root touch up and I want to make sure that it lifts pretty quickly and I don't want to do a lot of damage to the rest of it. The cream lightener does dilute the developer a little bit, so by using a 30 you end up getting sort of like a 25, and I think that'll be appropriate for my hair. All right, so I'm going to mix that up and then I'll start applying it. Okay, do not forget your handy dandy towel. I've used this so many times, it has a hole in it, that worked perfectly. Alright, I've got a ton of product in my hair. It is bleaching. I'm going to set a timer for 30 minutes and I will be back to show you the results, and we will move on to the Manic Panic Virgin Snow Lightening Toner. Okay, I am back from washing the bleach out of my hair.
Walk out the door, you see someone that you know and they ask you how you are, and you just have to say that you're fine when you're not really fine, but you just can't get into it because they would never understand.
All right, so here is my bleached hair. It is definitely bleached. It is looking very, very light. I think the toner is going to work fantastic. All right, so I'm going to tone my hair with the Manic Panic Amplified Virgin Snow White Toner. Let me just quickly double check the instructions here. It says apply clean, dry hair, saturate hair thoroughly, avoid scalp, cover with plastic cap, leave on 30 minutes. Rinse with cool water. Okay, so I need to dry my hair a little more. And that's probably fine. Slap this on my hair. Virgin Snow Manic Panic Amplified Toner. Let me know if you would like me to compare the regular to the amplified. And because this is a toner, and because it's Manic Panic, and because it's vegan and cruelty-free, and probably made of plants or something, you can just put it all over, no problem. Yeah, it actually has aloe vera juice in it. Hey, that's neat. Alright, so I'm just trying to thoroughly saturate my hair. You can see it's got a little bit of like a gray-blue tint to it. And a blue or gray tint is good. That'll counteract the yellow. Turning blue, but I remember from the last video, everybody commented and said, don't worry, your hair won't turn blue. You have to wait the 30 minutes. I think I only waited 15 in the last video when I tested out this toner, and oh boy, did I hear about it. So I'm going to just set a timer for 30 minutes, and I will be back to show you the results of the Manic Panic Amplified Virgin Snow Toner. Last time I was worried it was going to turn it gray, and here's the reveal. Roots are kind of gray. But this toner, I don't like it at all. They're quite blue looking. I would not say this is Virgin Snow. I would say it is like a weird blue, gray. Not really what I was going for color. Like a little bit gray blue, and I can really tell a difference on my roots, especially like the side here where like I have longer hair here. So where it was just my natural color, it doesn't seem to have really toned it at all. Roots where it had been bleached a couple of times, it seems like the Manic Panic did turn it a little bit of like a weird gray-blue color, which honestly isn't that impressive. I can use a purple shampoo and get like a way better result, which is what I will do to balance this out, because this is not what I was going for. Alright, well, leave me a comment down below and let me know if you've ever used this Manic Panic Amplified Virgin Snow White Toner, and if there's some like secret trick to it. I don't know, I think maybe this just is not for me. So that was my second time trying it out, so it's gonna go in the bin. Okay, so that's it for this video. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the little bell icon so you can get notified every time I upload a brand new video, and leave me a comment down below and let me know what you think of my toned hair. I would not say this is Virgin Snow. I would say this is the last time I am ever going to do this. I am moving. As you can see, I've got some boxes behind me, so I'm going to pack up everything, and the next time you see me, I'll be filming from a different location. So it's been a lot of fun filming all sorts of videos over the last couple of years. So don't forget to go back and watch some of those, and the next video you see, I will be in a new filming location. Bye! Alright, well, let's shut this down and pack it up and head on out.